Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You should start with power off and no cables. This prevents accidental damage. Once done, locate a small gap at the pad seam and insert a flat plastic tool or your fingernail. You pry gently to detach the lip, not pulling hard because the retaining ring can bend. As you peel, keep steady pressure and rotate the pad away from the cup. This controlled removal preserves the driver mesh and makes the next steps easier. Now you clean the exposed rim to remove foam bits and adhesive. This improves seal and sound. After the cup is dry, align the new pad's alignment mark or seam to the top of the headband so the logo and driver center match. Press the lip into the retaining groove at that top point, then move clockwise, working your fingers to tuck the flange fully into the channel. Doing this progressively ensures an even stretch and a tight, uniform seal. Once the pad is seated, visually inspect the full 360-degree rim to confirm no gaps remain. A proper seal affects bass and comfort. Put the headphones on and run a track with clear low frequencies. Make sure sound is balanced and there's no rubbing or buzz. If everything feels good, wear them for a few minutes to let the pad settle. If you notice muffled sound or wrinkles, stop and reseat the cushion, checking for torn lip or trapped debris as a troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.